Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for property management. First, set up your QuickBooks file by creating customer jobs for each property and individual unit. This helps track income and expenses per location. Next, establish clear income and expense accounts tailored for rental operations, like rent income and repair costs. Finally, input all your vendor details for easy payment processing and expense tracking. This foundational setup is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Once your properties are set up, managing tenants is next. Enter each tenant as a sub-customer linked to their specific unit. This allows you to easily see who owes what. Use QuickBooks recurring invoice feature to automatically generate monthly rent charges, saving you time. Don't forget to meticulously track security deposits as liabilities, ensuring compliance and proper handling when tenants move out. This keeps your tenant accounts organized.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Quick recommendation: managing properties can be busy, so make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, just like your QuickBooks file. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Effective income and expense tracking is vital for property management. Accurately categorize all incoming rent payments and outgoing expenses, such as maintenance, utilities, and property taxes. Regularly reconcile your bank accounts in QuickBooks to catch any discrepancies and ensure all transactions are recorded correctly. This practice helps maintain precise financial records. Finally, leverage QuickBooks to generate detailed profit and loss reports for each property, giving you clear insights into their performance. QuickBooks offers powerful reporting tools essential for property managers. Generate reports like the balance sheet and cash flow statement to understand your financial health. When it comes to taxes, easily identify and prepare Form 1099 MISC for any contractors you've paid over $600 for services. Finally, export your financial data directly from QuickBooks, simplifying the process for your accountant and making tax season much smoother. These features streamline your year-end tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.